On the board this week, you are invited to make healthy living your lifestyle. It's Ready, Set, Sweat 2018. Come out for a Health and Fitness Day Expo on February 3 at the University of the West Indies Mona Bowl. Starting time is 9:30 a.m. There will be free blood pressure testing, free sugar testing, cardiovascular workouts, and lifestyle coaching, plus healthy foods and drink, including vegan options. You can also hit the treadmill and take part in group workouts, yoga, and weight training. Email readysetsweat2018@gmail.com for more information. The Mandeville Regional Hospital is inviting everyone to its 2018 staging of the One Love, One Blood donation drive and launch of the RideWise Safe Biking campaign. This will be held on Wednesday, February 7 at the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Join them from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and donate blood. There will be souvenir t-shirts for all donors, prizes and surprises, and refreshments in the One Love Lounge. The entertainment package begins at noon and features celebrity endorsements, a motorbike demo, and film premiere. Come out and give blood. The life you save may be your own. Auditions for the JCDC Festival of the Performing Arts competition for St. James will be conducted as per schedule between the hours of 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. daily on the following days. January 29, speech at the Calvary Baptist Church in Montego Bay. January 30 to February 1, traditional folk forms at the Hollis Peter Lynch Hall. And on February 6, music at the St. John's Methodist Action Center. For more information, call 926-57269. And that's all for our community notices today. Send us your events for broadcast on the JIS Community Notice Board. Call 922-868-022 or send an email to cbishop@jis.gov.jm.